Dr. Evette here. Welcome back and happy gardening. This week's vlog is me in a stationary place using tomato cages to trellis up my pole beans. Yes, it is a task set out for someone that is not faint of heart because you have to work with each bush and each stem that's on the bush to get it wrapped up on the tomato cage properly. I am not even sure if this is going to interfere with the growth of the green beans. I just know that it's something that I had to do because the way the bushes had started to intertwine with each other. And I knew I had to get them out of this twist. It was much like a braid when there were three bushes intertwined together, or like a two-strand twist when the bushes were intertwined together. But at any rate, I had to get this undone so that I could get them trellised up properly. So next year, the task will look a lot different. In fact, I'm not even sure if I will grow green beans next year. I do love a green bean. I love a well-seasoned vegetarian green bean. But I'm just not sure if I know how to select the proper type of bean, the one that me and my family really care for. So I thank you for watching. And for those of you that are subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. And for those of you that have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button so that you can help me on this journey of gardening, growing food for myself and my family to consume, and planting flowers that I love. Happy gardening. Here, Mert has joined me to unwind the pole beans. This just helps me go a little bit faster, and I really appreciate his help. Someone should have told me to buy the bush beans and not pole beans, but and I'm not sure if I even really like this variety of green beans, but I'm almost certain that someone told me these are like the Italian canned beans that are sold in the store. But I will find out when they start to produce. I'm hoping so, because all of this work that's being put in and it not be the right green bean that my family likes is going to be so disappointing. Gardening is diligence. I'll say it again. Gardening is diligence. The work that you put in pays off in the end, but it's diligence. as you can see, nighttime is approaching. We didn't work at this all day, but we did give it a few hours. And as you can see, if you look at the 2-foot raised beds behind us, the solar lights have come on, so you know it's about to get dark. But we stick with it. And the reason it's taken us so long is because there are 6 plants in each one of the squares, and there are 3 squares. So that is 18 plants that we had to unwind. And so it is taking us a little long because they had gotten wrapped around each other somehow, and that would have prevented the green beans from growing because they were intertwined. I will never buy this type of green bean again unless I have the trellises set up and ready to go so that they never get tangled up like they've done this time around. Thanks for watching. I wanted to bring the camera in a little closer so you could see how I am wrapping the vines around these tomato cages that I have turned upside down to use as a stake for the pole beans. And I start from the bottom and I'm just wrapping it around one side of the tomato cage. And I've looked at them over the last few days and it seems to be fine. But we'll know in the end once the beans start to actually produce. We'll be able to determine if wrapping them around this tomato cage was efficient and the best way for them to grow. Until then, I'm just not sure. I'm new to gardening. I'm new to farming with my husband's family. So every bit of this is a learning curve and it's exciting, but I don't want to ruin crop in the process. We worked well into the night to get this finished up, and I am a task completion person. My personality will not let me wait until the next day to finish up some task. So task completion it was, which caused us to be out fairly late. I think our only concern is no mosquito bites. And so we accomplished that by Mert having on long sleeve, me having on the sleeves that you can buy to make a short shirt long sleeve. But it worked out, and so I'm happy we got this finished up, and I will keep you updated on how it goes as they grow, as the vines grow up these tomato cages. Thank you so much for watching, and happy gardening.